Alright guys, I know I have not made a video in a while. That's because there's a lot of shit going on. I got a new computer recently, which is why, well, it was different. But, no more. But, anyways, today we're going to be testing some Tornado Sirens because I feel like it. And we have a guest, Armoboro, and because he is a guest in this video, I will put his channel in the description. So go subscribe to him.
He's I'm looking for subscribers.
Yeah, he's pretty cool. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to him too. He's pretty cool. But anyways, let's get the testing. Okay, Honorable. Oh, what should we start with? Should we start with the Tornado Sirens or the fire alarms?
Let's test the fire alarm.
Yeah.
What? What is it? Can I get in this vehicle? Can I drive this vehicle? I don't have to work. I know this vehicle. But this is slow, I can stand on it. I didn't realize that. Can I drive on this vehicle?
It's not letting me move.
Can I drive it on
It's not letting me drive.
It's not working, that's why. I'm pressing E.
Yeah, I was pressing E too.
It is broken. I'm gonna stay.
Oh my god! Oh god! That was loud.
Oh, this is a security room. I know that. There's.
Fighters at Freddy's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are. Let's go to the first one, okay? Here we are. Here we are. This is a fire alarm. What the fuck is that wall?
This looks like a JPEG.
So which one we are gonna start? Behind us or here?
I don't want to. Look how devious these things look. They look like they're gonna jump off the wall and eat my face. My face. My face. Let's turn this on.
I'm hitting this one, FBI. That's
You don't know how to use it.
Is that another code?
Here, I know how to use it. Okay. Options. And then, okay, do you want to immediately start it or do a timer?
3-minute timer.
Timer, okay. Enter. Okay, it starts in 45 seconds.
Okay. And let's just check what we're gonna do here. Ooh, look at this fire name.
It's
Wait, is it not a virus?
Virus? What the fuck? That's not a fucking virus. That's a fucking fire alarm.
I said it wrong. Like I'm trying to.
Fire rocks.
What?
Fire rocks. Oh,
Hey, look, that's what
there's 10 more seconds left. It's gonna be really loud.
Look, this thing looks like Among Us. Okay, I'm gonna.
I don't see Among Us anywhere. that beautiful.
I never thought that was loud, but it wasn't.
Yeah, it was loud on the.
Let's get. What the fuck is that thing? Oh, I wonder what is this thing.
I don't think it does
Where's the
anything.
key? It's like Twitch key, okay?
Just.
I found it.
Oh, okay, so we have the alarm, and we have the super, and we have the, and we have alarm signs and system reset. Oh.
Are we gonna go to the siren now?
Tornado Sirens?
Yeah, you want it?
Yeah. When I met you in the summer. There's over here. Armor Bolo, where the fuck are you going? Back here.
I always look out a window.
Yeah, you can't do that anymore.
Okay, like here's next is a Tornado Siren, but it's really old.
Stick your wiener inside one of these Tornado Siren cones, and it gets better. Trust me. Ignore that spinning blade, though. It's just a part of the process.
I know that this is like.
Stop!
This is like old siren alarm.
Yeah.
Like, this is a tornado siren from Texas.
Where is it?
Okay, ooh, let's go inside here.
This looks eepy creepy.
Alright, yeah, let's go right here.
Hold up, let me turn on the ceiling fans.
Are you turning on your ceiling fan?
No, I'm turning it on in game.
Okay, look. I'm coming in. I was in the window.
What the fuck was that?
Are we stuck? Oh, never mind.
Get out.
It's not place. I opened the window. I cannot see. What is that?
Spontaneous generator.
What are you doing? Wait, what is this?
Oh no!
Come on!
I already saw that.
Like, what is this button? I want to press that from it.
It doesn't work. I've done it before. You're in there forever.
Server, we need to alarm mode. This can only be active every 60 minutes.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work?
Yeah.
Let me open
It
this.
doesn't work on purpose.
Well, yeah, it will not work to open. Oh, press to active fire alarm.
What did you just do?
Press active fire alarm.
No. You don't. Whoa.
Not so loud?
Do not do that.
Why?
Illegal.
Oh, I just tried this. Oh, is that a sound? This is something.
I was already here.
still works.
No more lights.
There's more. There's more behind there. Let me test. Where's the I broke the light.
Honorable, come down here. It's dark and pretty.
Right the fuck is down?
You turned off the lights.
See, you can see my name. Okay, right here, there's a light. See the light? Here.
Hold up. Let me see if I can activate it from the attic. Don't follow me. No! I said don't follow me.
Okay, Dick.
Ascend.
I'm not even tell this power on.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Is the power back on?
I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay.
Is anything on? Oh.
Wait, where's my OBS?
Oh god, no.
OBS? Where's my OBS? Don't tell me it's closed. No! Fuck! It's closed! It's really closed! No! No! Fuck!
There we go. Lights are back on.
OBS? I forgot to turn on my OBS. Fuck!
Shit happens.
Are we gonna do it all again? But we're not gonna go all move. Are we gonna do it again?
Do what again?
Record. But like we're gonna say.
I am recording right now.
Yeah, but it's not on.
Yes, it is. I'm recording right now.
No, mine is not on. It was like off all the time.
Then turn it on.
Like,
start recording.
Okay, hello guys. Today we gotta play. Okay. Are we gonna go inside?
Hold up, I have to shit really bad.
Okay, I'm gonna go test alarms.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm going to the attic. Okay, so you see this. This is a fire alarm. Which one? I made it turn off. I wonder what is this. Don't tell my friend. Oh. What happened? What was happening? No, never mind, it's not dark. I will keep letting it on. Oh, yes? No, that should be a bad idea. Let's test this roof then.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to unforeseen circumstances, we must ask you to leave the building immediately by the nearest exit, or as directed by members of staff.
Stop it! Yeah, boy. Fire alarm deals? Ooh. Pull the trigger. No! What was that? I know this thing is not working. Let me press this button. Well, I'm on my back. please subscribe me. I'm gonna give you a link for my random YouTube channel so you can subscribe too. Please. So you can get so many subscribers. So I'm probably gonna go pay.
From my shit. Anyways, guys, so again, I'll leave it's called Fire Alarms and Sirens Collection. And if you can't find it yourself, I'll leave a link to the game. And you can play it. Really good game. You should play this game. It's a really good game. It's organized. Kind of. And, it even adds a pretty big mix of Tornado Sirens. Like, if you pull this, then that thunderbolt you see right there activates. And that's all and I sound basement key, here we come. La 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 la. And yeah, also this is kind of secret. And apparently these fire alarms structures specifically designed for outdoor warning system, large indoor environments with height ceilings, and with areas such as centers, factories, and warehouses.
FBI?
Huh. Yeah?
Can I put the link to your channel so they can subscribe you too? Because I already told them. Like the order.
Yeah, sure. And I'll put a link to your channel too. Anyways, yeah, it's a really good game. I will put Armabolo's channel and this game in the description so you can play it. And make sure you subscribe to Armabolo. He's a cool guy. That's me shitting at 3 a.m.
Where are you? I see you're inside of it. Oh, you bitch. You think you can control this from me?
Why did I get scared? Oh, I'm stupid.
Let's go, bitch.
Bitch. I thought it would close you inside. There you go. That's it. I'm turning out the lights.
Hey.
Scared
And I'm
me.
gonna
What is that?
No.
Don't do that.
I just pressed that button, man. Press the little button with not. Why is it loud? Please turn on the light.
Back on.
Thank you. I was like, can I see? Look at this. This is the alarm. Oh, what is this? Pull down? Hey! Hold down.
I want to pull it. Oh God.
I got it stopped. What's wrong with it?
Nothing.
It's not working.
My asshole's
What
breaking.
about I still it and press the... Never mind. Didn't I do it?
Coming up
Yeah,
there.
edit somewhere. This thing is kind of broken and dead.
It doesn't work.
Why did you close the window? Oh, let's go. Let me press this button.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
It's locked.
Stop!
It's fake.
My asshole is fake. No. What's happening? Oh God!
Why is this end switch? Where the fuck is this?
Happening!
Why is it dark? FBI, can we just turn it back on?
Oh. Sure.
Try to see. What are you doing? Oh, let me open it.
Don't. Oh, I thought you were gonna press that.
Yeah, FBI, how about let's like play like that? You're gonna go like that, I'm gonna say next.
Oh yeah! Here.
Okay, I'm going back like...
Next!
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah? Is it illegal here? What are you doing?
I was harvesting your organs.
What the fuck? It's like
Sir, is that a weapon?
Hold on a minute.
Get back here.
Let me try the quick! Oh, man! This car is dead, man. Why did you do that, man? Why does this... Like, how do I put... Oh, I just got yeeted! FBI, I just got yeeted.
Yeah, you got killed.
No, I just got yeet. Let me just kill myself. Mine. It's your yacht.
What?
Oh, dude. Help beds.
Help.
Help.
Help?
Help ass.
Shut up.
Help ass.
Ah.
Pee pee poo poo Johnny.
Shut the fuck!
Pee pee poo poo Johnny.
Shut up, you caca head!
Okay.
I'm gonna blow. Am I constipated? What the fuck are you doing? No more for you, buddy.
I'm trying to go for set complete.
Don't do that. You're gonna break it. That's it, I'm hiding from you.
I got you inside. I can see your hand.
You can see my asshole.
Oh, what is this button?
No, don't. Don't click that.
Hey, watch me.
Get out of there.
I was behind you.
I can see you.
I was behind you, man.
No, you
I was just
wasn't.
hiding there.
What are... Don't click that. I know where you are!
I'm gonna press it, man.
No.
See, I reset it. I'm gonna go inside.
That's why you don't press it.
I'm not pressing it. I'm not.
I'm gonna activate the emergency alert.
Can we open the door there? I'm stuck.
Can you please just jump out and die?
No, just open the door.
Hey! You're not in there.
Fuck that bitch. I made her bro, man. What are you doing?
I'm gonna activate alert.
Like, what is this alert? I don't know. Why is it red?
There we go. I locked it.
How did you lock it?
I locked the computer system, so you can't.
Thank God, that was loud.
Yeah,
Why did you do that?
nothing.
Like, I know it was you.
No, it wasn't. It was your asshole. What did you do? That wasn't me!
I know it was you.
It wasn't! It wasn't me!
Yes, it was. No, I was like standing here and like not like really like dead in a room.
I didn't press anything!
Yeah. Okay, fucking fine. Okay, fuck. Loud mic.
No, it's going to climb this basement key. Here we come. La 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 la.
Basically,
No, there's no basement key anywhere.
then why are her basement key?
Basement key. Here we come. La 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 la.
No, you're not. Why is the power? Don't turn on the light. Oh, there's a button. There's a button.
No, it doesn't do anything. No!
Oh. I was making harder. I'm making it harder.
Oh my god. What's that? What's that sound?
You can't find me, huh? How did you close that? That's just that's a straight
No!
Wow, bitch.
I'm gonna stay in here and eat my toenails. Oh, Armabolo, I have an idea.
What?
Okay, so you should try and like sneak into the warehouse without me seeing you.
Oh, you have in windows sneaking.
Yeah, you can sneak in anywhere, and I'm gonna patrol.
And also, I'm not cutting, but I can like cut in pet cut.
Anyways, okay, I'm gonna start patrolling.
Okay, I'm gonna sneak in. This warehouse. The window's already open? I don't see that. Whoa, look how many generators are here. Oh, that's security guard.
Anyone out here?
It's dark here. You cannot see me if the light is out. Okay, let me drink it. They're fucking here. But that's good. That's okay. Because I can go climb up there and sneak it again. If I see a window. Oh, no, don't tell me to turn on the light. They did. No, it's dark. Okay, good. So there's a way. I need to sneak in on this place. Oh, yes, I made it through. I made it through.
Attic door? Why is it open? Lungs up here! There's nobody. What kind of Looney Tunes trap was that, bro?
I don't know that weird goofy trap. I've never seen.
You stupid
I made a goofy trap.
I see the line that's touching me!
Let me, hold on. What the fuck is this moon here?
What the fuck?
Okay, night vision is not on yet. Just checking my cameras.
Let's turn on the lights.
Shit! I'm gonna turn off the lights. Oh yeah, I found it. Yeah.
What's in there?
Turn off the light.
Somebody's out there! Somebody's out there. Where? I see you.
Really high.
Where is he? Yes!
This light is uncomfortable. Everyone go right back.
Where is he?
Go right back.
Where is he? I see you. Guys, I literally see him right there. I'm gonna eat his flesh. Sex master. Who just said that? Poopy brain.
Back.
Brack.
Oh, I see. I mean, I see him.
Wait, or not really. Turn on the lights for a second.
Where did I pull something? Oh, please fire all of work.
Due to unforeseen
What?
circumstances, we must ask you to leave the building immediately by the nearest exit, or as directed.
Oh God! Why is that loud?
Open up, Nick. Okay, it doesn't work.
I'm gonna run fast. Come back! You think you can get me, man?
Let me check over here. Both these fireworks are okay. That's it! I'm coming up there! I'm coming up Stay out!
Okay, remember? Oh, there's a bar. I turn off the power. Did I just turn it off?
Your power's already off.
I have to sell my dog.
The door's open! Somebody is in here! Uh-oh, you failed. You left the door open. No, door, no, someone is in here. Where is he? What the fuck was that? Nah. What are you doing? No! No!
keep pulling it.
I'm gonna kill you! I'm eating your flesh.
No, then I'm going to turn outside. Because it's outside. Come on, work. Work! Wait a minute, this man has a siren, so I can turn it off.
Send a SWAT team to the warehouse.
I'm going to turn on the siren. It's so loud. It's all like it will take a caca.
I see you.
No.
That was the video.
What?
Yeah. I got 46 minutes of recording time. You know how long that is?
Mine is like 30.
Anyways, yeah. I'm gonna put the links and shit, but yeah.